Uba Arkhar BQ edisi Riboy District mentakasi ke Southrik menelar ulah Plie Paidbah eka 7-star Expo nega yau di tiar di tarah sor Nongpoh. Kabalak perlong neka Susing Tourist Guide Travel Society Nongpoh hapok ke jingelam da usamla Aji Khongla organizer empat usamla Antonio Lapang kum Vice President ya kan nega yau la perlong Nongpoh Shopping Complex. Haswa ban Plie kan nega yau la perlong shwa da ke jingelang ke belingkot haringkat ke jindon ke Kong Rona Kamdej MCC Barim Nongpoh Constituency ki officer katanat pulit ki nong ilam snong jaga snong Nongpoh ki dekat juga tiga society bat kiwe hakan ne kayo lawan ru bani don banta na kiwe ki jela kari India bat akan ne kayo expo la ban yo ki mar ki mata ki beper nadu ki tiar ki pendon kam hayang sam bat kiwe de bat kan ne kayo kan kot adu ka arpoi trik nelar arcar Plie
ki ba yang ki kejak lojong ban seng ki kam lade ban kumno ban yo i ki tiar ki ba kiwe ki wala na ba But kumno ban pan ipit ba ya kitiam kiba nangni na po thain riboy jungi haki fair kiba keleng nakada kadaw ni wan ba wa ikani ka fair kaba ki samwa jungi kan ketik ya ka mensim jungki khanang bakila ban seng ya ki kam ladi ban pan ipit ba ya kini sap ki phong kiba ki kidon.
And those programs like the trade fair, international trade fair, northeast trade fair were organized by the government departments from the industries department. It was not done by private parties. I guess this program is done by a private entrepreneur. So earlier such type of program was always conducted by the government of Meghalaya through the Commerce and Industries Department. So it was a big fanfare those days in Polo Hills. So from there, participants in the Trade Expo were selected and then they were sponsored to present in New Delhi during the International Trade Fair promotion that is always held at Pragati Maidan during the month of November. Gradually, but what happened now, you can see lots of private stakeholders taking part in such program. I feel these type of programs are very good. In fact, the term expo, it means exposure. Whenever you expose, whenever you display or exhibit any products, local products, traditional products in any given place, local place, that's what exposure is. So I believe through this program, I urge upon the farmers, the agriculturists of Riboy district as a whole, that in such programs they can take this program as a platform to showcase their various items. Riboy is popular for India, for agri products. So I hope these type of platform will give opportunity to our local farmers to showcase their products. So I also urge the organizers of this program, the Star Expo, that whatever you see, whatever unique product that you can see through this expo conducted here in this town, you may please, I urge you to please promote our local farmers to showcase the products in various platforms like the state or the northeast, especially you have in Guwahati, in Judges Field or in Khanapara ground. You used to witness lots of such trade expo.